We would like to present new generation laser crossliners, the Nivel System CL2. The series includes 3 models: the CL2R with the red beam, the CL2G with the green beam, and the CL2B with the extra fine blue laser beam. The lasers generate 1 horizontal plane and 1 vertical plane. Do you appreciate comfort and rely on quality? Are you looking for reliable equipment? So we have an offer for you: new generation laser crossliners. We relied on lots of innovations when developing this device: an extra visible, fine and safe laser beam, digital leveling, sensor readings shown as numbers, a lower beam displayed at a low level, leveling of floors, a line on the wall from the so-called zero level, an efficient standardized power supply system based on a lithium-ion USB power source with a capacity of 4000 mAh. The equipment is designed for demanding users: an ultra-fine laser beam, a wide range of functionalities, horizontal, vertical, sloping planes, for working indoors and outdoors, high-performance parameters, in other words, accuracy to millimeters, accuracy to 2 millimeters per 10 meters, long operation distance, for working over distances up to 140 meters. We offer reliability and safety, verified and calibrated equipment that can be used out of the box, equipment with a dedicated personal calibration certificate, robust metal-reinforced housing, water and dust-proof equipment, IP54, blocking of compensator, safe carrying case. We guarantee efficient work. Work with full laser planes, 360 degrees each. The battery can be charged during the operation of the equipment. A wide range of accessories as standard. Unlimited possibilities. We also remember about the comfort of work, Bluetooth communication, wireless management of functions from your mobile, quick leveling, effective vibration compensation, easy to operate, handy portable equipment. The Nivel System laser crossliners are covered by maintenance support both during the guarantee period and after its expiry. We run an authorized service center in Poland that provides access to spare parts. We also have specialist equipment, including Octopus Prime 3D, a specialist collimator for calibration of this type of equipment, generating 360-degree planes. All these features enable us to solve any maintenance issues quickly and effectively. If you're looking for reliable, proven, and above all fail-safe equipment with high operation parameters, then the CL2 model is worth considering. When working indoors, in less sunlit rooms, or outdoors, the model with the red beam will be sufficient. If working in strongly sunlit rooms, select the model with the green or blue beam. If you need high accuracy, select the model with the fine blue beam.